What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Sam to official, never unofficial. You feel what I'm saying? Today, I got a special video for you guys. But if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Hey, look, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. You feel what I'm saying? Let me be honest with you. Oh no, before that. Don't forget to turn on those post notifications because YouTube is tripping. Before we get right to it, I seen this video a couple days ago. I didn't even know it was a freaking music. I thought it was just them vibing. I thought it was just them in the beach. I seen the thumbnail and I was like, I thought it was, but then somebody told me it was Airplane Part 2. Basically, this is J-Hope song, Airplane. Bro, let me tell you this right now. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for the support to the channel, for real. It's crazy how we're growing every single day. I'm really thankful for everything, for real. Also, if you guys have any suggestions for me to react to, please make it easy for me and just drop the link. You feel what I'm saying? Drop the link, because sometimes I be typing it on YouTube. You feel me? I be typing, like, for real. Like, I have a long list, but then when I be typing it on YouTube, I'm like, is this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? I don't want to make this wrong. I don't want to make a wrong reaction to, you know what I'm saying? So please drop the link. It'll be easier for me to literally know which songs you guys want by just dropping the link. You feel me? You can just comment whatever you want to comment, and then if you have a song for suggestions, drop the link right after you comment. You feel me? Because it's kind of, bro, it's a long line. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a long line, but I don't want it to be like reacting to the wrong video type stuff. You feel me? But the ones that are obvious, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and react to it. But some videos that, you know what I'm saying, fans are looking for, I'll be trying to look for it, but then I'll be like, is it this one? Is it this? So yeah. But without further ado, let's go ahead and react to this. Ooh, look at the freaking. Is that a condo? Tough. Hold on. We just read. Wait, what the freak is? What the freak is going on here? What the freak? What the freak is going on? Hold on. The freak is going on there. Oh, let me stop. But we just reacted to Who's BTS, so let's go ahead and look at their face more clearer, so we can go ahead and guess who these people are. Even though I already made a video, like, I just want to. I need to have a like clear face on them though. Like, I want to have like a clear look of them. Okay, so this is V. You got that? This is V. You know what I'm saying? That's Jimin. You feel me? No, I don't even know because they have glasses and stuff. I can't even see like the, you know, but. We went too far. J-Hope, what's going on right there? You feel me? What's going on, J-Hope? You feel me? You straight? You good? You good? Okay. This is Jimin. This is V. And this is if I'm not mistaken, Young Cook, John Cook. Yeah, 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 yeah. But they just told us we don't need to spend any money on no music video. We could just spell cameraman. Just take us while we're in a freaking pool and we just vibing in the pool, just chilling as a homies. I don't see no girls in there. You feel me? But I'm telling you, man, bro, these people are the most humble people in the world. Most humble people in the world. You feel me? I don't see no single females in that area. I don't see no females doing. I don't see no. I see seven boys just having fun. It's crazy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm, mm. Hold on. Trying to figure out the names. Huh. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. That's August D. This is V. This is I can't see his eyes, but if I'm not mistaken, this is Jimin, J Hope. Okay, where's John Cook? Wait. Hold on. One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh, okay. I'm not mistaken. Then there's somebody missing. Yeah, this is August D. Yeah. Wait, no. Hold on. There's seven, bro. They keep moving around, bro. I'm trying to. Can you guys be getting, bro? You guys been telling me, yo, Sam. This is their names. This, and that. This is her name. This is their names. And I've been trying. I just literally made that Who is BTS video, and I'm trying to figure out like which one is which. But then they're moving too much. Like, could I? All right, one, two, three, four, five, six. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, that's not seven. That's not seven there. You feel me? Okay, let me guess this. This is Jimin. This right here is Jimin. This is V. That's Sugar, aka August D. J Hope. What? We just seen RM. What is going on here, man? Okay, now RM is here. Bro, hold on. Hold on. I have to get this right, bro. I have to get this right. Jimin. I'm very sorry, bro. I know I'm literally taking your time with the music and all. I'm very sorry. So Jimin v RM Jin, 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 Young Cook, August D. All the way in the back is who's in the back? J Hope. Okay. Yeah. 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 Oh yeah, that's John Hook. You know, I told you it's the eyes. I be seeing them, bro. If his eyes is big, it's John Cook. I have hints for myself to remember these people. Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. That was a vibe. That was a vibe. Do that again. Sir. He just hit my dance, bro. He just hit my dance. He look at V. He just hit my dance. All right. Peace out too. You feel me? Peace out too. Hey, now let me stop. Let me stop. Let me stop. Let's stop. Look, that's freaking fire. That is fire, bro. You feel me? Anayacha, Anayacha, that's freaking fire. But if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. And look, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. You feel what I'm saying? For real, I really do appreciate every single one of y'all to subscribe to the channel. You guys has been lit lately, but we literally just had 500 on Sunday. Now it's about to get 600 in like 2 days, and it's really ridiculous how crazy we're growing. But yeah, man, if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, man. Give this video a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends. Hey, look, don't forget to turn on those post notifications. For real. Also, if you have any suggestion videos for me to react to, please make sure you have the link in the comments. You can put any comments you want, any comments you want. But make sure if you literally want me, if you want me to react to one of your suggested videos, make sure you have the link in the comments, because bro, I don't want to make the wrong reaction. Even though it's the right reaction, I don't want to have a doubt in my mind that I'm making the wrong reaction. You feel what I'm saying? So please, this is the new rules I've been having. And then another thing is, bro, like let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. I really don't care about copyright. You feel me? I don't care about copyright, but YouTube is really, like, what do I mean by YouTube is tripping? Because YouTube is tripping, bro. YouTube is really tripping. I understand about the copyright issues, you feel me? And most of my videos are copyrighted. And I really don't care, you feel me? I really don't care. You see, and like, if you guys don't know what copyright is, basically, BTS copyrights the videos that react to them, and they get the money for it. And I really don't care. They can get as much money they want, you feel me, off the videos that I make. But the thing is, bro, there are some videos that I react about K-pop, any videos that you guys ask for, that YouTube would literally just block it. Like, you guys would not even see it. Like, YouTube would delete the video. You feel me? Like, as soon as I post it, it will literally just be, it's gone, it's deleted. You feel me? So, a lot of your suggested videos I already reacted to, but YouTube literally took it out. And sometimes I dispute it. So I'm basically waiting for them to reach back to me. You feel me? And then yeah. So don't like, you know what I'm saying? Don't be like saying where's my reaction at, where's this and that. I'm sorry, YouTube. It's going. What do I mean by YouTube is tripping? YouTube is literally tripping, right? I'm not gonna lie to you. It's me, your boy Sam to official, never unofficial, man. Hope you guys stay safe. Hope you guys stay positive. And I hope you guys stay healthy. If you guys haven't bought your Bible, buy your Bible. Pray every single day. And don't forget what BTS say: love yourself and love God. It's BTS say love yourself. I put love God. You feel what I'm saying? It's me, your boy Sam, to official, never unofficial. I'm out. Have a blessed, wonderful, and amazing day.